That old man never smiles. He just sits on his porch all day.
Mom, why does Mr. Carter never talk to anyone? I do not know him well. He moved in a few months ago. He looks lonely. Maybe he is.
Hello.
Hello, young man.
I am Ben. I live on this street.
I am Mr. Carter.
Your garden has a lot of flowers. They look a little wild.
They were my wife's flowers. She passed away last year.
I am sorry. I could help you sometime.
I am ready to work.
Eager, are you not?
Where do we start?
Let us pull the weeds first. Then we can plant new flowers. My wife loved yellow flowers, sunflowers especially.
We should plant some sunflowers then.
That would be nice.
Like this?
Exactly like this.
You learn quickly.
Ben, why do you spend so much time with that old man? He is not just an old man. He is my friend now.
When I was young, I traveled across the ocean on a big ship.
3 weeks? That sounds like a long time.
It was, but I met my wife on that ship.
Really?
She was reading a book alone. I asked what she was reading.
We talked for the rest of the journey.
40 years later, we...
Mom, Mr. Carter told me about his wife today. They met on a ship a long time ago. That sounds like a wonderful memory for him.
Mr. Carter, look! They are blooming!
They look just like they did years ago.
Are you okay?
Yes, these are happy tears, Ben. Thank you for this. Wow, this garden is beautiful.
Mr. Carter, this is my friend Oliver.
Nice to meet you, young man. Ben told me about your stories. Can you tell one to me too?
Of course. Sit down, both of you. Mr. Carter, the neighborhood is having a small festival this weekend. Would you like to come?
I have not been to one of those in years.
Hi, everyone. This is Mr. Carter. He lives on Maple Street.
Nice to meet you all.
He looks so different now. He is not the same lonely man from a few months ago.
You helped him find that, Ben.
We helped each other, really. I learned so much from him.
The garden is resting for winter now.
But it will bloom again in spring.
Just like before.
Thank you for being my friend. Mr. Carter, is it true you traveled all over the world?
Oh, I have many stories to tell you all.